How to conduct marketing audits with HubSpot. In today's digital age, conducting regular marketing audits is crucial for any business looking to optimize its marketing efforts. HubSpot, a leading marketing platform, offers powerful tools to streamline this process. So, how can you effectively conduct a marketing audit using HubSpot? First, start by reviewing your marketing goals. What did you set out to achieve this year? Use HubSpot's analytics tools to measure your progress against these goals. With comprehensive dashboards and reports, you can easily track metrics such as website traffic, leads, and conversions. Next, evaluate your content. HubSpot provides a content strategy tool that helps you analyze the performance of your blog posts, landing pages, and other content. Look at which pieces of content are driving the most traffic and engagement. This will provide insights into what resonates with your audience. Don't forget to assess your social media presence. HubSpot's social media tools allow you to track engagement metrics across different platforms. Identify which channels are performing well and which may need more attention. This will help you realign your strategies to maximize your reach and impact. Another important aspect of your audit should be your email marketing efforts. Use HubSpot's email tracking and analytics tools to measure open rates, click-through rates, and overall campaign performance. This can highlight what types of subject lines and content lead to higher engagement. Lastly, consider the customer journey. HubSpot CRM allows you to visualize and analyze how leads move through your sales funnel. Identify any bottlenecks or drop-off points where potential customers are disengaging. This insight will help you refine your marketing strategies to improve conversion rates.